We are doing a total transformation on this brand new 2025 Chevy Silverado ZR2. Follow along. To my right is an almost brand new Chevy ZR2 2500. That's right, this is an 8-lug truck, and these things are pretty incredible in stock form. We've got a video to showcase a bunch of work that we're doing to this truck to completely transform it, to add a bunch of lighting, suspension, and performance upgrades. Digging into the suspension, one thing that's really important if you own one of these trucks is to keep these fancy shocks that come with them. And McGaughy's sells a 4-inch lift that works with the factory shocks to make that all work. Of course, we'd be remiss to say we're putting a suspension lift on and not doing wheels and tires. So we're doing some 37s, some brand new Method 709 HDs. Lastly, to see at night, we've got a bunch of lights from Baja Designs. Todd just wrapped the install up there, and I want to show you all the footage from what he did. So let's get started and show this whole build to you.
Oh yeah?
Barbecue! And this is the moment we've all been waiting for, the culmination of the whole week's hard work. The truck is all done. I know the owner is super excited to pick it up, but of course I wanted to give you a quick wrap of everything we did. Lots of Baja Designs lights. As you can see, we've got 5 LP6s here up front. We've got 2 LP4s here on the back. To mount these things on the front, we use this custom trick light mount from Westcott. Now I know typically Westcott is a Toyota manufacturer for cool aftermarket parts, but I believe the owner's got one of these things and wanted a trick light bar. This truck comes with factory auxiliary switches, so all of these lights got wired to the OEM upfitter switches. So let's take a peek under the hood because there are a few upgrades there as well. As you can see, we've got a bunch of pieces that are in red from Banks. We've got these intercooler pipes. There's also a turbo inlet and a big cold air intake pipe from AFE. Now that's got a filter on there too, so you've got the maximum amount of air intake efficiency on this truck, which is really cool. To monitor all that, we also have some gauges from Banks, which is really great. I want to transition to power steps. As you can see, we've got an amp research power module there in the very back, and those send power to these Power Step XLs. Not only do these things look like a robust rock slider, but they've got a step built right into them, which is pretty neat to get into a truck like this. Now, the 37s on this thing look absolutely awesome. We opted for the Nitto Ridge Grappler mounted on the 709 HD method wheels. It looks absolutely perfect. I couldn't think of anything else to add to this truck except maybe just a little bit more dirt. Thanks for following along on this video. If you have a ZR2 or a 2500, hopefully it provides you some inspiration. If you like this, make sure you follow us on all of our social channels because we're doing stuff like this in the shop every single day. Thanks for watching. See ya.